Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'm a student here at Galen in the LVN program. I graduate and this year, 2026, and I love it here at Galen. It's such a great experience. I chose Galen because of how diverse it is. Galen allows so many options to start. They have so many start dates, so that way, whatever works best for your schedule. And I love how Galen is just so inclusive of, hey, you can't start at this time. That's okay, start at this time. And they have so many options for you to be able to develop the best career plan for you. In simulation, they make it feel real, In simulation, we get to do so many real experiences to prepare us out there for real life nursing. Like, we feel like we're in the room and the patient is getting ready to crash, or the patient is needing this thing, and they put us in the field and make us feel like, hey, let's get this patient taken care of. So it makes me feel ready to be able to provide patients with quality care.